A special investigation by Iowa's auditor uncovered thousands of dollars of missing gift cards from the University of Iowa hospitals and clinics. Hundreds of dollars either misused or not properly accounted for. The report points to a single former employee at the root of the issue. Local 5's Mary Sugden takes a deeper look into this case.
Iowa's Auditor Rob Sand says a University of Iowa healthcare employee noticed about $1,300 of missing gift cards, a claim their superior and the person in charge of those funds, Anna Hernandez, dismissed.
The person in charge of them asked that not be reported to the public safety department at the University of Iowa. So that obviously raised a lot of red flags.
Ultimately, staffers noticed more red flags and reported them to higher-ups, leading to Hernandez being placed on paid leave. She resigned just a few days later. The health system asked the state auditor to investigate their concerns.
We're talking about less than $20,000 worth of funds that are not properly accounted for. A small portion of that we know to have been spent improperly.
The report revealing more than $16,000 of unaccounted gift cards, mainly meant for patients in need to spend on food, transportation, and lodging.
That's really probably the most difficult, really kind of a heartbreaking part of this case.
There's also hundreds of dollars either misspent or improperly accounted for. In one piece of evidence, an email from an alleged ex-boyfriend asked Hernandez to send $100 to raise PayPal. According to the report, 10 of the missing gift cards were used to send money to that account.
A lot of these gift cards went missing, but we were able to say for those ones related to that email that it was spent inappropriately.
Auditor Sand believes harsher punishments need to be on the books to prevent these types of cases.
If we want people in charge of public money to treat that with more seriousness and respect, it's time for the Iowa legislature to make mandatory prison time for people who steal large amounts of public funds. We've been asking for that for years from this office. It still hasn't happened, but I think that would help deter people from misuse of public funds.
Definitely a troubling case, Mary. What happens next?
So it's important to point out in this that Hernandez hasn't been charged with any crime at this time for anything in this report. Now, I spoke briefly with the Johnson County attorney who has jurisdiction over this case, and she tells me her office has just received the case, starting to review it to see if charges would be appropriate in this case.
Early on in this one.
Yep.
All right, Mary, thank you so much.